morning everyone, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, Senior Mistresses, teachers and all my dear friends.
Today I, Anand Prasad, Sports Secretary,
And I, Reema Chaudhary, Sports Secretary, welcome you all to the celebration of National Sports Day.
Hello everyone. Today is a very special day. Do you know why? Because today is our National Sports Day. National Sports Day is celebrated every year on 29th August. The day is celebrated to honor the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand Singh. Hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand is the most extraordinary, the greatest field hockey player. Let's take a look at the amazing journey of the wizard, who was known for his superb ball control. The man who scored more than 400 goals in his career. The man responsible for earning 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. Dhyan Chand was born on 29th August 1905 in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, into a Maurya Kushwaha family. To mother Sharda Singh and father Someshwar Singh, who was in British Indian Army. His father was often transferred, so the family was exposed to different cities. This also became a hindrance as Dhyan Chand could not continue his education for long. His education stopped approximately after 6 years of schooling. The family then settled in Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. Now, we will see the journey of Dhyan Chand in the Olympics. In the 1928 Olympics at Amsterdam, the finals held on 26 May 1928 aroused tremendous interest. Nearly 24,000 spectators, till then the biggest crowd for a hockey match, saw the game. India beat Holland by 3-0 to win its first ever Olympic gold medal and its first ever victory in a world tournament. In the 1932 Olympics at Los Angeles, the finals held on 11th August 1932. The team under Lal Shah Bukhari defended their title, winning the gold. The team routed the United States hockey team by 24-1, a record that exists till today. Dhyan Chand scored 8 goals in the finals. In the 1936 Olympics at Berlin, India met Germany in the finals on 15th August 1936. The final started at 11 am before a record crowd of 40,000 spectators, the biggest ever to witness a hockey match in the Olympic Games. India was up by 6 goals in the finals. The Germans now decided to play rough. Going for Dhyan Chand, the German goalkeeper removed one of his teeth. Coming back after receiving first aid, the barefooted Dhyan Chand instructed his team to go easy on goals. We must teach them a lesson in ball control, he said. India ultimately prevailed over Germany by 8-1 in the finals to win its third successive Olympic gold medal. Dhyan Chand scored a hat-trick in the finals. Hitler was very impressed by Dhyan Chand's performance in the finals as he was witnessing the match. At a dinner party after the finals, Hitler offered to elevate Dhyan Chand to the rank of a colonel if he migrated to Germany. Dhyan Chand refused his offer and replied, "I am Indian and I want to play for India only." This shows his love towards the motherland. Dhyan Chand, known as the magician of hockey for his superb ball control. The Government of India awarded Dhyan Chand India's third highest civilian honour of Padma Bhushan in 1956. Now, we will discuss some interesting facts about Dhyan Chand. On Dhyan Chand's birthday, and it is about a 1935 meeting between the hockey genius and Sir Donald Bradman, the legendary Australian batsman who retired with a batting average of 99.94. At that meeting in Adelaide, Bradman told Dhyan Chand, "You score goals like runs in cricket." This is also very interesting. Once in Netherlands, the authorities broke Dhyan Chand's hockey stick to check if there was any magnet inside because of his superb ball control. Such an outstanding player he was. This is really very amazing. His actual name was Dhyan Singh. His name Chand, the moon and the moonlight had a link with his success in hockey. He was in habit to practice a lot during night after his duty hours. He used to wait for the moon to come out so that the visibility in the field improved. He became famous and his fellow players called him Chand. In this way, his name became Dhyan Chand Singh. On the occasion of National Sports Day, President of India honors eminent sports personalities with major awards including Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Arjun Award, Dronacharya Award and Dhyan Chand Award. On the special occasion, this auspicious day is celebrated to spread awareness on the importance of sports and physical activities in every individual's life. The day is celebrated mostly in schools, colleges, and other educational institutions to highlight the importance of sports in the everyday life of individual. This day is also considered to be an occasion for encouraging youngsters to take up various sporting activities as a profession and make a name for not only themselves but for their country as well. On this occasion of National Sports Day in 2019, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi launched the Fit India movement and asked everyone to take up sports for physical as well as mental health. Happy National Sports Day once again to all of you. Enjoy the day. You can play lot many sports activities and spread awareness for fitness. Thank you.
Those were brilliant performances by our school students who displayed their skills.
Our school is filled with very talented students who not only represented our school at state level but also at national level.
Even in such difficult times, sports is a way of joy which keep us motivated to keep working hard.
Yes, there are many benefits of playing sports as it helps us to build our immune system, which is very much needed in this pandemic.
Due to this pandemic, we are not able to celebrate National Sports Day together, but there is a sense of togetherness amongst us.
Hope these videos by our teachers and students motivated you as much as it motivated us.
These videos were very informative and motivating. Let us all pledge to be a part of sport even in this challenging time. On this occasion, we would like to thank our principal sir, vice principal ma'am, senior mistresses, teachers and all our students who took time to make this a special occasion.
Thank you all. Hope you like this video. Now I, A.B. Ayush, Sports Secretary.
And I, Anusha Chabra, Sports Secretary, are signing off.